What is up guys, back with a new video, and summer is already here, right? I mean, you can literally feel the heat, and around this time period only a lot of people usually keep getting higher electricity bills, right? For you guys, I have something very interesting tech item to show you all in this video. This is a smart BLDC powered ceiling fan, and BLDC stands for like brushless DC motor and is much more superior than your regular old fashioned induction based ceiling fans, guys. Now BLDC ceiling fans are not something new for me. We've already been using them since they were like new in the market. I mean, if you go back like 3 or 4 years back on the channel, you will find my videos on Atomberg's Renesas series smart BLDC fans, and ever since I've been using BLDC fans at my home only. And today in the home we actually got our hands on a brand new model from Atomberg. This is their Eris Contour smart ceiling fan that comes with a new design. They've also added like ambient ring LED lighting and plenty of smart features, guys. And today in this video we're gonna unbox and talk about this ceiling fan. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our brand new Atomberg's Eris Contour smart BLDC fan came in this sort of packaging. Packaging actually looks very similar to the other series. You just have the Atomberg branding, model mentioned over here, picture of the product as well. And as I've told you, this is a highly energy efficient 5-star rated BLDC ceiling fan and offers plenty of smart features which we'll be talking about anyhow in the video. Quickly unpacking it, on the inside you're getting two more packages, guys. I believe one is for your accessories and the other one is for the fan blades. Let me just quickly open it and show you how it looks like. This smart BLDC fan is available in 3 different color variants. You get like white edition, black edition. Today in the home we have the Regent Grey color, and boy, this looks beautiful in a matte finishing. So keeping the fan blades aside, rest all accessories are present in the other packaging over here, which includes a remote control for the fan, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, some Allen keys for installation purpose along with some assembly for the fan. Moving over to the lower section, here you'll find the main part of the fan, guys, basically the whole BLDC motor construction and basically the head of the fan. Oh wow, this looks actually quite nice, right? I mean, look at the premium quality fit and finish. Lastly, in the package you're also getting 2 to 3 different canopies used during installation. So that's it, guys, our quick unboxing part. And in fact the clips that I've showed you, right, these were shot a couple of days before when I got the delivery, and since then I've been using this Atomberg's Eris Contour smart ceiling fan at my place. It's been almost like 7-8 days, and today in this video I'll be sharing my detailed experience and feedback. In fact, there are so many points I'll be talking about, so make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let me tell you about the setup and installation part. When you buy the ceiling fan, right, the company actually gives you like a free installation service. You just need to have a call with the Atomberg service team, set up a date and time whichever is convenient for you, and the installation team will come to your place and get the job done. Very smooth process, guys, no hassles at all. In fact, for me, right, it hardly took around like 20 to 30 minutes for the service team to get the ceiling fan installed at my place. So kudos to the team. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the fan, give you a small demo, and then we'll talk about the performance and all of its features. First of all, let me tell you that you can control the smart fan in multiple ways, either using its remote control, your phone, Alexa, or even Google Home. Remote control has plenty of functions where you can adjust the fan speed, toggle other functions. We'll come there and talk about the remote control in a moment. Apart from that, it is obviously like a smart IoT enabled fan, right? So with the help of Atomberg smart app also, you can completely control it no matter where you're sitting at your home, because the fan also has like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth included in it. Last but not the least, the Atomberg Eris Contour is also compatible with Google Home or Alexa as well, so you can use these applications also to fully control your ceiling fan. Anyways, let me give you a closer look and first start off with the design and build quality part. Atomberg's Eris Contour has a beautiful looking design. I mean, look at that, guys. It definitely looks and feels quite premium and has sleek finishing. It's available in 3 different colors, and today in the home we have the Regent Grey edition. It's basically like a 1200 mm ceiling fan, standard length only, and has a nice matte finishing. So unlike your regular ceiling fans, right, the blades on this fan are a bit different, guys. First of all, you're getting like full on aerodynamic design, and instead of using metal blades, here you're getting like full on ABS material blades, guys. And I was a bit skeptical, like, what, this is some sort of new design which I haven't seen before, but nothing like that. The overall performance is actually pretty nice. We'll come and talk about the performance, airflow, coverage, everything in a moment. Keeping that aside, one thing you might have noticed new on this ceiling fan is a ring ambient lighting at the center. So on the previous models, right, either it be the Renesas series or Studio series, you only used to get like blue LED lighting. Here Atomberg has completely changed that. You're getting like a beautiful and elegant ring lighting, guys. And let me tell you, this ring ambient lighting can even give you status information. For example, it can show you the current fan speed level. I mean, look at this. Whenever you try to change the fan speed level, right, this is how it indicates and shows you the current speed. Very cool, right? And not only that, this ring ambient lighting brightness can also be adjusted using Atomberg's app from 10% to 100% as per your convenience. Let me also quickly show you the remote control and talk about the features. So there you go. Here's how the remote looks like. Comes in a two-tone finish, entirely made of polycarbonate. Good remote, I would say, guys. And as I've told you, offers plenty of features. All the buttons are like easily accessible, and quality of the buttons is also nice. You're getting a nice circular pattern where you can easily adjust the fan speed level from 1 to 5, and apart from that, you're also getting a special boost mode as well to access fan's maximum speed. And last but not the least, the fan also has some extra features like sleep and timer functionality. If you ask about the usability, I had no issues using the remote. It has a rough range of around 4.5 to 5 meters, and within this range you'll have to show the remote directly to the fan to use all of its functions. I know you people have been waiting for this part, right? How is the overall performance of this ceiling fan, the range, and also coverage, air pressure, and all of that? As I've told you, I've been using this ceiling fan for the last couple of days, and I'll be honest with you, I was quite impressed with the overall performance. Atomberg's Aries Contour has an aerodynamic design and comes with a standard 1200 mm length and offered like excellent airflow, guys. Even the range and coverage was also really good. Covers my entire bedroom easily, not an issue at all. And as I've told you, the fan speed range is easily adjustable from speed level 1 to 5, and apart from that, you're also getting a special boost mode included to utilize maximum fan speed. One thing you might have noticed during the video demo is the fan seems to run very stable, right? I mean, look at this. No matter what fan speed I set to, not just low speed or medium speed, but even when I toggle level 5 or boost mode also, right, as you people can see right now, fan is quite stable with minimum wobble, so definitely appreciate that. Last but not the least, if you ask about the noise, fan noise was also like quite a minimum, all thanks to its highly efficient BLDC motor. In fact, it's one of the most silent fan I've used in the recent times with the highest air delivery in the industry. One more benefit I forgot to mention is, in case maybe if you have like an inverter at your home, this smart BLDC fan can run for almost 3 times longer than your regular induction fan. Now that is pretty awesome, right? BLDC fans offer plenty of benefits over your regular induction fans. And wait a second, I haven't shown you its smart features, right? For that, you'll need to install this app called as Atomberg Home, available on both Play Store and also Apple App Store. Pair it with the product, and once you do that, you can fully control the smart fan straight from your phone. You can adjust the fan speed level, set a timer or sleep functionality, and last but not the least, even adjust the ambient ring lighting as well. And not just Atomberg's app, it's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home as well. So you can easily use voice assistant to fully control the fan features no matter where you're sitting at your home. Turn on fan LED.
Turning on fan LED.
Set the speed to 5.
Setting fan speed to 5.
Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Atomberg's Aries Contour Smart BLDC Ceiling Fan. It's a beautiful looking fan, guys. Premium quality design and build quality. Not to miss out, highly energy efficient BLDC motor on board and plenty of smart features. Atomberg is offering 3 years of on-site warranty, so make sure to register the product. And if you talk about the service centers, right, well, you're getting Pan-India service network, guys, with 350 plus service centers. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check out the link for all the pricing details and everything. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.